It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Learn Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to recover any deleted video on Android phone, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel, you'll find this guide useful. Remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to recover deleted videos on any Android phone. Very easy tutorial. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store and download this app right here, Data Recovery. This app right here. So I'm going to just open the app because I've already downloaded and installed. So the name of the app is Data Recovery. Like I said, you can see right here. So Data Recovery, when you download and install the app, it's going to take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to select your language, whether Indonesia, Franca, Arabic, Espanol, Portuguese, and etc. But as for me, I speak English, so I'm going to put it in English language. So you can see the icon of the app right here. So I'm going to choose in English language. Then I'll make sure I click on Get Started. Okay, so it takes you to the page of the app, just like what you see right here. Now we want to recover all deleted videos on this particular phone right here. Next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on Scan Videos right here. So you have to exercise some little bit patience and allow the app to scan every video that was deleted on your phone, just like what you see on the screen right here. So let's see. Alright, so you can see scanning completed. So about 465 videos has been deleted so far. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on Show Deleted Files right here. So everything is going to be open, just like what you see right here. So we have it in different folder. So from this particular format of video, I have about 189 videos right here. So you can see. Then from other folder, so from this particular format video, I have just 9 files that has been deleted so far. So you can see everything. So if I want to restore any of the video right here, what I need to do is to just make sure I click on here to select the video. Then when you select the video, you will be asked that restore now. Just click on restore now. It's as simple as that. So no, not for now. So the video file has been successfully restored back to my phone. So this is how to restore any deleted videos on Android phone. A very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.